How to create invoice on Odoo. In order to do that, you first need to have this Odoo app installed. Click on this invoicing right here, and then from in there, you can see this. So click on this create invoice, and then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the actual template that you can use. So you have in here this customer invoice. You can change up the title. You can also put in here the invoice date, as well as a payment reference, the due date that we'll have for this one, and also as well the payment terms if you have this down right here. Now you can add a line for in your invoice. You can add label, quantity, price, taxes, and the likes in here as well. So this will serve as a draft for your customer, and you can also log some loads and payment conditions and the likes. So you can head over and add some fewer things that you want to for this right here. So for example, we have this, and this person will pay this particular amount. You can also change in here other infos as well. Like for example, this one, customer reference, accounting, and the likes. Now, if you want to send out the invoice that you have created, you need to click on the send message right here in order to send this to the customer that you want to give this invoice into. So that's how you create an account or invoice in Odoo. Hope we helped.